got no choice. I have to move the sit guy. Don't want to, but have to. Maybe 12 millimeter. Yep. Ow. Ooh. Didn't want to take it. This one we're just gonna lose sitting in it. I just tilt it up. Alright, there we go. And she should come out easy. Alright. Alright. Well, we know it is the engine's not freeze up. We're going to coat some of this with W40. That's the stator. Alright, we have a spark plug here. Where'd they go? Is the question. A spark plug Y right here, but I cannot find where the spark plug is. Boy, need some investment in line. Alright guys, you could subscribe to my YouTube. Maybe I could pay a little bit more. Right now my income with YouTube is $2 a month. Alright. Oh man. This is a little odd. If this is right here, but where does spark plug go? That's pretty freaking weird design, to be honest with you. Where does spark plug go? Okay. This is pretty odd. I'm going to take this starter out, see what's going on with the starter. First things first, I gotta find the spark plug. Alright. Please don't fall down. Alright. It's time to find a spark plug. I don't know where. First, we're going to take that starter out to test it and see what's going on. First things first. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay. So let's see what's going on with this starter. Can I take this out? Come out. I guess all this gotta come out for it to come out, huh? I'd like to see just that motor, but the way designed is pressed in basically. Let's get some key out right here. Alright, got that key out. Maybe it should come out. Okay, we got that key out and everything should come out. Alright, this key comes out, the whole thing comes out. Let's see if this comes out. I'd like to get that motor out. Let's see if we can just take this part out. Yeah, it comes out. So we have one little screw holding that motor in. Damage the gasket. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what socket's on that sucker. Let's see if we can take that out with one screw. Oh, good Lord. That's really tight. Don't put as much pressure on it. Wow. Okay, we have a situation. Alright, I got no choice, guys. We're gonna just either, let's heat it up first. That's how I go. We're gonna look for my torch. Alright, guys, let's torch this up, baby. Let's see it comes out. Alright. It doesn't want to come out. So, we're going to go with phase 2. We're going to basically do it out. Really in there. Okay guys, looks like the mower just stuck. I took it apart and cleaned it. And just loop it up with new grease. Give a new grease, add it on it, see how you go. Alright, I did add a marine grease, so it's gonna last a little better than this high temperature grease. Okay, gonna put it back in town. Here you go. I can take it out like so, and then this cover goes in. Alright, I'm missing a screw. It's the story of my life, huh? Something's always missing. Alright, let's see how this goes. I don't know if this goes in first. Yeah. This goes in so. When they spin, it comes up. Change the glove. Ah man, I think I kicked the screw somewhere. Missing one screw. Man, it's bad things work at night. So Mike can call at night after this guy. I'm gonna test it. Where I found it. It's over here. Okay, find the third nut. Oh. Alright, I gotta get my battery back from that one. From this baby. Might have to put this on. Okay. We got W40 sucker. Seems like I think the double is everything, huh? Alright, let's see how it goes, guys. Boy, there's something wrong with that motor. It tends to freeze up every few. It was until I tighten this, and it's not turning anymore. So we need to figure out what's caused it to lock up. See, lose again. Locks again. It looks like we may have a motor problem. Seems to lock up every few turns. Some metaphorical coming up. Let it run some more. Okay. You know what? I'm not going to tighten it too tight. Let's see how it goes. Perhaps if it gets too tight, I only mean one thing. See, we got to shim that sucker. wanted to get this work. Alright. Let's see it turn, boo boo. Alright, the key to see if this pops up. Alright, good morning my YouTuber fan and subscriber. We got a little spark from the spark plug. So, and then when it gets hot it shuts off. There was no spark anymore. So my conclusion was the magneto is bad. The amateur magneto is bad. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You know. We unplugged the ground, the kill wire, which is right here. When I test it, sometimes I get the reading between the, I'll just call it A, B, and C. From A to B, I get a little reading between 6, but I can't find the spec. But usually things like this should be around 10 to 18 ohms of resistance. But it's only reads at 6. Sometimes it reads at 4, so it's obviously telling me that it's bad. So I ordered a new one. So it's not going to come in anytime soon. Probably either Tuesday or Wednesday. Alright, we're going to change oil. But here's the thing. There is no oil drain. I look everywhere. Even under here. So, look like this engine, you have to suck it out. I bought this one on Facebook market. The only one 250. I think it goes down to 175. At first he didn't want to go down. She said 200 was the firm. She'll go down for me. But then I said I'll think about it. She called back. Well, she messaged back and said she'll do 175. So I went to pick it up. She told me that it needed a new starter, but when I got here, I tested. The starter freeze up, but took it apart, put everything back in. It runs fine. And some particle got in there, locked the starter up. Okay. I mean, it runs fine. The compression reading is good. I tested already. Didn't show you guys that one. We did. Well, here's the thing. I check all the sensor between the brake, the seat pressure, and the blade engage. They're all good. The only thing we got left to do is, like I said, we got to change that magneto. Once that comes in, I'll give you guys more video on that one. I mean the structure itself is still good. Need a little washing up, good as new. Alright, you guys know that I do a little lawn service on the side. YouTube is my hobby. Hopefully I get as popular as more people, but thanks you guys for subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Perhaps I'm making up money. I'd like to buy another boat. I'd like to get a Hydro Sport 26 foot. Right now I have a Bayliner Trophy. It's about 18 foot. It does okay, but when out in the rough sea, it gets a little scary. But hey, life's all about challenge and thrill, right? Alright, for those seeker, gotta have fun. Live life to the fullest, you know. I'm in my 50s, so I'm gonna enjoy every moment I can with my son. Alright guys, I'll give you more update. Okay guys, we're just gonna pump out the oil. Get you one of these things. Oh my, that oil is black. Not a good sign. Got a lot of parts on there. I can feel it. Alright guys, look how thick that oil is. That is nasty. I don't think the last guy home changed that. So we're gonna flush it. I'm gonna put one oil in there. Okay, we're gonna put 1 quart of oil in there. Just turn the engine a little bit and just turn the engine a little bit. I put half a quart in there. It's okay. We're gonna delete it. Okay, guys, we're gonna just turn the engine. By sticking this brake, release this pressure. Alright, that's good enough. We just turn the engine a little bit. We're gonna suck some more out. Wow. That's nasty, dude. Owners have never done this shit. Wow, there's still more coming out. Alright guys, this is nasty. I mean, I kid you not. Look, there's still more coming out. Look how black and gummy that is. And it's thick too. So we're gonna put some more oil in there. Oh, wow. Oh my, look at that. Oh my. Put it all the way in there. Let it all out. I'm making a mess. I don't know. It's alright. Wife's gonna be bitching at me. Excuse my French. Wow. I don't think the owner ever changed his oil because he didn't know how. See, there's no drain plug. So he just used it until it gets so thick. Wow. Wow. You can tell the oil is very thick and some silt in there. It's just probably wear and tear from the piston wears out. Piston wing, I'm sorry. Alright. Let's see, maybe I'll put some more in there. Oh, I definitely gotta clean up this mess. Alright, good morning again, my YouTube fan subscriber. We're on day 2. Alright guys, Love Prime. Got this overnight deliver, but I ordered another one, but it's coming from China. That's gonna take a week to get here, so I couldn't wait. So I found another company that's gonna deliver overnight from Prime. So we got it in. Oh, I gotta put this down. Alright guys, today is cold. Alright, here we go. These are called Magneto. Alright, this is the new one. Alright, with the old one, I know for a fact, I tested it. I mean, it's good for a few seconds or two when you run them, and it just die out again. So that's the old one. We're gonna take that apart. Okay, let me put the camera down and put some glove on. Alright guys, alright, to let you know if that thing not works, I'll show you. There's the brake clutch. Alright, let's jump this one in. Spark it off. Alright, let's move that baby. Half-inch. I mean, you need a little more smaller than half-inch, but that's why I have that on. Definitely need to invest in more too for DIY. Okay, here's a new one. Alright, that's it. To get us as close as you can to it. But we do have a measurement thing. For a guy who don't have auto too, you know, for the measurement, I always recommend people can do it two-way. Get you the smallest zip tie and stick on it. Alright guys, let's show you what I mean by that. Alright. You see how I put that zip tie there? That's the separation between the, I call it stator, and I guess the magnetic rotation wheel, flywheel, something like that. Alright, once you tighten a little bit, you just pull it out. You see you get a little gap, so it won't be too close, or it won't be too full. So I mean, that's one way of doing it. If you don't have the measurement tab. Okay, I think this bonding step is so hard with me. I need a $2. Alright, I don't have a $2. I wish I had a sponsor. Give me a $2. But my channel does not have enough subscribers. They're not going to endorse me, you know. So I need you guys' help to get me to at least 10,000 subscribers. Maybe when I get there, they'll somehow give me some endorsement, you know. Like I said, I love using Seafoam. They're not endorse me, but man, it'd be nice if they endorse me, but they probably won't because I don't have enough float, not enough traffic coming through my channel. But guys, I need your help in that one, you know. Subscribe and like, comment. Okay, spark plug. Okay, the spark plug I had to buy, it came with the lawnmower. When I took that oil out, oh my god, that was so dirty, guys. I mean, I don't think the last one to change anything on this lawnmower. Okay. I bought this little small lawnmower. Oh, by the way, guys, I also do a side job, which I do lawn service on weekend, my Fridays and Saturday, you know. Well, my son got me into it when he was 15, 12 years old. He took a small push lawnmower and just run around the neighborhood. And actually, they need a grass cut at night. For a 12-year-old kid, he's pretty bright. And he got a few account to the point where he got too much and he couldn't handle it. So he asked me if I could help him out, so I did. I took some of the account out of his hand because I want him to focus in school, you know. I don't want him to work too much. But he still have like maybe 5 on weekends that he go cut. Alright. We got that in. So we're gonna juice up the barrel a little bit. Alright, we're gonna brown this on this spot right here with metal. Alright, since I got 2,000 subscribers, took almost, my wife bought me a GoPro 11. She said if I get to 2,000 subscribers, she'll say she'll buy me a GoPro worth my time. So I got 1,600 subscribers, and she bought this, and was sweet of her. Thank you, honey. Anyway, alright, that's nice of her to do that. Okay, let's see where we start now, guys. Alright, we're gonna step on that. Let's take this out before we spin everything out of control. Smoke. I think I put too much oil. I put 1 quart in there. I'm not sure how much it's actually for. But we got another one. Oh, baby,